In this video, I'll show you how to install any mod in the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim Special Edition in 2026 using the easiest methods so you can enhance graphics, gameplay, and add new content. Check my video description for this Vortex download link. Double click on the exe, select the yes option, and select install. Once installation done, select finish. Go to games and find the Skyrim Special Edition. Select the manage option and now go to mods, and now check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this grass and landscape or hall. Once you download the mod, go to downloads and here is the mod file. Select install from file and navigate to the mod file and select open option. In installing mod, and as you can see the mod is enabled. You can disable it if you want or uninstall. Once you install the mod, just minimize this. Same way you can install lots of mods in here. Minimize this and launch the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.